My people, what a gwan, wetin dey sup for na yard like this o. Welcome to another episode of Pidgin Vibes Yarnings. Today, my yarnings carry me go PDP convention wey sup the other day. And one of the highlights for that convention na based on say PDP don finally get the balls to suspend Wike, Fayose Anyanwu and some others wey dem still suspend o. But also na majority of the big names, na one of the big names, na some of the big names wey be say dey expel. But I wan ask myself, why e take PDP that long to suspend Wike? Because of a truth, no be now dey break. Like we dey see the thing, like the guy dey do the anti-party activities for our eyes like this. Like e dey do am, like e dey let you know say I go do am, nothing go sup. PDP no still do anything. So wetin make dem come take this long? Na now dem come feel say day don break to suspend the guy. But as dem dey talk sha, na when your day break na be morning. So I believe say PDP na their day break when dem take suspend the guy. But the whole thing dey make me dey laugh, because me know say Wike, when we know Wike go respond. So this coming week so e go hot, because I know say the Wike wey we know no go sit down, no go quiet, e go give them you. So we dey wait for a response. But another angle wey dey make me dey surprise na say part of the people for that convention may dey among the suspension, may dey among the people may see expel the guy na Seyi Makinde. Una go remember before the last election, general election, Seyi Makinde and Wike dey be padi, dey among the 5G governors. No be so they call their name that year. May work against their party, which is PDP. So how come all of a sudden now e no come dey Wike side again? E come dey among the people may suspend, may expel the Wike and the rest. Normally, if you dey talk about anti-party activities, I believe say Seyi Makinde suppose to dey among the people may they suspend, may they expel, sorry. Because if you dey notice the whole thing dey make me dey do like say na film trick. Because me no wan understand. People dey even people wey dey part of the committee for the convention, they come and they debunk the whole thing. Say no dey among o, say no dey among people may suspend Wike, may expel Wike o. I don't know why I still dey talk the thing suspend. I expel the guy. But the truth, the matter, e dey surprise me o. I no go lie. I wan really see whether PDP really get that balls. Like PDP may we know. Like PDP go fit get that mind, say they really expel that guy. Because no be today they go make mad. They will touch around everything when Wike dey do. All the people may dey around that, but they no go touch him himself. Because I never see where person dey openly dey play romance game with opposition. He say he did this party, they openly dey play romance game with the other party. Una dey look am. For years now, the thing dey happen. Una no talk anything. Now una come dey talk. To me, I no understand this that they talk. But I just believe say PDP as a party, opposition don too enter them, don too penetrate the party. So you no even know who be the real PDP and who be the people may penetrate, may they claim say they be PDP. Because no be the PDP. Maybe say we grow up to know. No be in the sup now. No. Now that PDP just be that. But no wahala, shall make we dey see in the coming weeks whether our oga FCT minister, whether I go drop update based on the expel may they drop for am. My people, una do.